Hello everyone, myself Rajni Dhiman. Today I am going to discuss about notice. First of all, we must know what is notice. As I have already written over here, what is notice? It is a short piece of composition. Any examiner can tell you to write only in 50 words, not more than this. That is why we call notice a short composition or short piece of writing. We all have heard about notice, this word. We all are aware about this word, notice. Notice means to inform someone in written form about any event, about any occasions, any meetings also. So let us here discuss in brief what does it mean? What is notice? A notice is a very short piece of writing. I told you earlier that it is a short composition and we write it in mostly about 50 words and written in a formal style, because notice is always written to any formal organization. It is not an informal kind of writing. So language should be formal also, and style will also be a formal kind. It means we can't use dear sir, dear ma'am, because it's really very personal and informal. We must always use some formal words, formal language in these kinds of writings. So what are the uses, or by whom these notices are used? These notices are used by some individuals to inform any meeting, by some institutions also, just like school organization, school institute, any college, any other educational institutes also, and some organizations in offices, like in professional organizations also, and government departments also. Notices are published in newspapers for mass to inform any information about any government departments or any changes to the public. Now I have written here what are the purposes. These are the purposes here: to announce. What announce? To announce any event. It means if there is any event, say competition or anything is going to be held, then we will write its time, its event, its venue also. Occasion, what is the occasion? To announce any occasion, special occasion, if we are just like in celebrating any Christmas or any event or any occasion, any party in our school also, any function, any celebrations, to announce any celebrations, and to make any appeal by government departments. So we read about them in detail, and here are some points to remember that we should keep in our mind while writing a notice. Just like first point is, write the notice in a neat and legible handwriting. It should be neat and that should be visible to all, and it should be clear, and use simple and clear language. Follow the format. We always must write notice by following format that we will discuss it later, and write an eye-catching heading. There is one column also where we write heading, that it should be very eye-catching. The content should include content, the main content, just like if we are going to celebrate any event, so each and everything, the venue, the time, the date, it should be included in it. Just like I have written date, time, venue for the events and meetings or competition, etc., that I explained you each and every time. And whom to contact if we are organizing any competition. So how students will contact or where they will contact, So we should mention the contact number. Place entire contacts in a box. A notice is always written in a box. We always put a box while writing a notice. And usually present tense we use and future tense. Present tense and future tense, because that will be happen next. Just like event, it will be going on in next coming days. Any celebration that we want to inform them. Now let us discuss about format of notice or layout of notice, that how to write a notice. We have to follow some kind of format or rules about writing notice. First of all, we write name of the organization. Name of the organization means whom we are writing. It should be capital letter, and then we can leave one line. We write notice. It should also be in capital letters, notice, and then we can also leave one line here after this. We write date. And how to write date? Just like date. Just like, should we write like this? No, it won't look good. So always write date like this. It will be right. Or you can also write date like this. Like this. This will be right. Do not use like this. This will be wrong. Avoid writing like this also. It shouldn't be like this. Okay. So write date always like this. And then you can leave one line. Heading. It should be eye-catching. I told you that points to be remembered. It should be eye-catching, and it is also written in capital letters. And then content, we always start with this is to inform, or we can also write directly, just like somewhere water bottle is lost, if you have found any laptop anywhere, or if there is any competition, or if there is any function organizing, then we always start with it. This is to inform all the students. Yeah, this is to inform all the teachers. This is to inform all the officials. We always start with it, and then signature of the writer, and then write the name. It is always written in capital letter. Capital letter and designation. If you are a student, then write it just like your class and roll number, and if you are head somewhere, and then you will also write designation, that head of the department or head boy or any head. I hope students that you understand how to write notice, why we write notice, and it is a short composition, short piece of writing. Thank you and have a nice day.